gon' fuck with it. She my Velcro, guess I'm stuck with her. Dive in it like.
Hey y'all, and welcome to my first video. Today I will be doing 2 flat twists in my hair, and the gel that I will be using today is Eco Gel Coconut Oil, but it's my first time using it, so this is kind of like a review and a little bit of a tutorial. So first I'm going to flatten that all over my head. I already used water and a little bit of oil, so I just didn't record that part. So yeah, like I said, I'm just going to put all that over my head. And then before I twist it, I'm going to take some more and put it all over my edges and the sides of my head so it all can stick and slick together. And then I'll be taking a brush and then brushing that all together. Okay, this first twist, y'all, I ain't even gonna lie, it was a little bogus. I was rushing, and it's not gonna look right, but I will be redoing it later on in the video. This twist that I will be doing is a overhand twist. It's not an underhand. I first learned how to do an overhand twist, but in this video, I will be doing an overhand and an underhand, and I'll be showing you guys how I do that. So, y'all, it's looking a mess, I know, but please let me redeem myself in, like, a couple more minutes, I promise. Yeah, that face was not a very happy face. Okay, so this is the side that I'll be doing my underhand twist with, and y'all, for it to be my first time doing this, I did a really good job. I couldn't stop looking at it. I couldn't stop touching it. I'm actually surprised that it came out looking this good, because if y'all know me personally, y'all know I can't do a look of hair. I've never knew how to do hair. The person that is standing on the left of me will be my favorite cousin Sierra, and this will be the last time this month you will be seeing her in any of my videos. So, y'all, I had to cut some of that because, like you see, seeing that, I'm getting tired. My arms are cramping up. My hands are cramping up. I'm complaining at this point, and I just want to take a break, but we had somewhere to go. So right now, I am just twisting, and in the back, I am not grabbing all of that hair. I am actually just parting it and pulling it together so the back can stay together. That's looking real good. And I'm just sealing the ends with more of the gel. So as y'all seen, I just took down that twist, and I'm redoing this one. This one actually came out great as well. My hands still are hurting. I'm still feeling the pain, and I'm feeling it all. But I forgot that I was even recording, so some parts of this tutorial you won't be seeing fully what I'm doing. But if you already know how to do this and just need a little bit more help or just want to watch, then you know. Okay, and now I'm just brushing the back together so I can put this in a ponytail. You see it's kind of flat, but my hair is thick, so it doesn't flatten at all. So right now I'm just putting in a ponytail, and I'm turning around for you guys to show you how tight the ponytail is, to show you how much hair is in it. And I just want to thank you all so much for watching this video, and so please subscribe, like, and comment. I will see you later, bays.